there's gonna be a big release.
How are you doing them? Dumbbells or barbell?
Dumbbell, yeah.
Dumbbells?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I also do like, I don't know exactly what they're called, but you put like your feet to lock in. You like bend over. It like works like
kind of like that.
Yeah, just like that, but with like heavy weight.
Okay.
So like I feel like a good lower back strength to them, but definitely like I don't know if I tweak something.
Yeah, I'm gonna go crazy heavy on the weight. Like I think it's good, but like I think you can get the effect you're looking for with that. Like how heavy are you talking?
Like 1 times in each day.
Yeah, it's a lot, dude.
Yeah.
That's a lot. Let's take a look at you.
He's the best chiropractor. Yeah.
I think it's smart, man.
Damn.
Nice. Let that relax.
Yeah, I felt like that's where it was kind of painful.
Yeah, man, you're doing some serious weight on the on what you were just telling me.
Yeah.
Let that shoulder drop a little bit. Good. Let's get a little.
Dang.
That was good. See if I can get right up underneath your neck here and just give you a little traction, okay? How much are you missing wrestling?
Huh?
How much are you missing wrestling?
Oh my goodness. A lot.